Wala pa rin sticker niyo. Ano ni? 50.
Big stainless gitanan ba?
Oh, ginastuhan yun ma'am kay para limpyo ba? Ano, lisdan ma'am, pihan.
Ay, lisdan ang
Anang glass, pihan.
Welcome back to YouTube channel natin. For today's video is we're gonna put a tint film or yung tinted film silver. So for today's video guys is we have the first step is to clean the glass, remove the excess or the remaining sticker or the adhesive part of the glass. Remove that for a while, and then after that you have to pattern the film, the silver film to the glass. After that you have to remove the liner, the other side of the liner, the clear side of the film, remove and then put some soapy water using sprayer. This method guys is for installing your tinted film to the glass. First step is put some soapy water and clean the glass and also clean your hands, and then first pattern. After that you have to simply install the sticker. As you see here is we're gonna install the sticker inside of the glass so that the film will last longer and not be removed easily from outside. It can protect you guys from UV radiation, UV light, and also the heat of the sun outside. It can help your air conditioning running good and smoothly, and also keep the room cool and warm. It also protect you guys from seeing outside, and your glass, it will become one-way mirror. If this situation is darker inside, much better in day night, or the heat of the sun is from outside rather than inside. This is good for office works, partitions, and storefront. Just use the squeegee and then remove the water from inside of the sticker. As you see, we're gonna install the other side of the sliding window and become one-way mirror, just like that. And you see it from the inside, you can see from the inside, you can see outside. And the next step, we have to remove the older sticker from this panel door. It become fixed, and we're gonna install a new one of this part. We're gonna remove the old sticker. This is called frosted sticker. We're gonna change this to become a one-way mirror, and this one is the finished product. The other side, as you see, it become one-way mirror and become privacy to your office. The other side is not yet, it's yet finished, so you can easily see inside. This is the older one, the previous video. This is the old glass, and the old sticker is doesn't have one-way mirror, so they can see from the inside. From outside, they can see you from the outside. And this step, we're gonna put the sticker or the frosted film in the door part. Just simply pattern and then put some soapy water using sprayer, and then put it like a sticker, a normal sticker, and then use your squeegee to squeegee out the water from the sticker or the tint. And that's the simplest part. This is the finished product. As you see, it become one-way mirror. It become mirror or become mirrorless from the outside, so that from the people outside, they can see themselves. They cannot see inside because of the light from the outside. This is the older one. It doesn't have the sticker before. This is the before. As you see, you can see inside. There's no other sticker, put it, and then we're gonna remove it just like that. For inquiries, just call me or message me in my YouTube channel. This is the after of the work, the finished product of the tinted one-way mirror. So thank you so much. Hope my video will help you guys, And then call me or message me if you want to work in your office just like that. See you in my next vlog. Apicio. Thank you very much. Bye bye.